See, as municipality, and as per the Solid Waste Management Act 2016, that act, they have violated the act. They are not supposed to dump here unsegregated garbage, and they have been doing it for so many years now. And when it is brought to the notice of the police is saying that they need a complaint. So now, yesterday night, we have filed a complaint against MMC chairperson and CEO of MMC on the name of Sarpanch and myself, Jilla Panchayat member. So now, the ball is in the court of the police department to take action. And we have sent copies to the Chief Minister's office, Chief Secretary, and also the Prime Minister's office. And if the police fail to take action, this matter we are going to take to the police appellant authority. And the police who have failed to do their duties will be taken to task.
The ownership lies with the MMC. It is the responsibility of the MMC and its officials to make sure they stop the fire. One. Having said that, somebody has to own the responsibility, and the criminal person has to be identified and a complaint lodged, and these people have to brought to task.
झालं असताना आज तेणे पोत्तून सेम गार्बेज धाडल्या आनी आज 5 वरांचे धाडल्या. आमी 8 हिंग येतो मुकोळ जाण जायन 5 वरांचे दिसा गार्बेज स्टार्ट जाला आनी 8 आमी हिंगा पोत्तून 4-5 गाडी हाडायले आनी आमगे मागणें आमी सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन टील हो मॅटर सॉल्व जाले शिवाय तुमगे गार्बेज बंद होची. कित्याक तुमगे आज देखून पोत्ती धाडली तेणी मिक्स गार्बेज. आमी सगळ्यांक चोयला मिक्स गार्बेज सेग्रिगेट करूं ना. तुमगे इतलें मागणें
सेग्रिगेट गार्बेज तेंच्यान व्हरपा जाता
ना टील हो मॅटर सॉल्व जावं पर्यंत तुम आनी सेग्रिगेट वच जाल्यार देखून तेगे मेशिनरी चलना थिंगा.
आज सिट्युएशन कशें आहा दोंगराची?
जोरा सिट्युएशन म्हजे भाशेन आहलो तेशें पूण ते वयर प्रेशर मारता तितलो तेंगे सायडीक तुका दिसपडा सायडीक प्रेशर भायर मारिता. म्हाका दिसना तेगे कांय इम्प्रुवमेंट आहा म्हूण चोय सगळें दोंगर तेचे भाशेन आहा.